and overseas.
Julum.
This is at 231 Wayman Road, Suva.
Of course.
Na VTFM and nanonda ngono baro taki na Ouch Palangi Show.
Right.
And we say a big binaka pakalevu to
Right.
our sponsors this morning.
Right.
Which is
Punches
celebrating 90 years.
Want to say good morning also to my Vasu.
Who's?
Jayda Timbiu. Coming back from Natobi this morning.
Yeah.
It's a return job.
Oh, yeah.
And my boss is collecting so many coins.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
Yeah.
He says, hey, Vasu, this is for our growing in the afternoon. Oh, thank you. Nabalem Sarabasu, Nabalem Nasemamai, and Amataganigo. Jody Fitness,
Yeah.
blessed from Dutham.
Huh.
Go my UK.
Julum.
Thank you so much for tuning in.
To Peter Tumberi.
Ano na ka mataw?
He sent the regards to Atukurumundo, the fellow friend is now in UK too.
Okay.
Good morning to the family
Right.
from there, and also
Here.
to Tawake family.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
And
Good morning,
also
good morning.
to Napo.
Right.
Napo is from Napo Koroi.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
It's from Nassau, in
Yeah.
Koro,
Mababich.
making link to Yasawa.
Right,
Joining from America.
Right.
Okay, okay.
Good morning to you and the family. Thank you very much. And also in the village
Yeah.
of Fiji.
Who's?
Yeah.
In the village of Fiji, in the city of Fiji, in the
Alright.
islands of Fiji, in
Right.
the bush of Fiji, in the car of Fiji, in
Right.
the bus of Fiji,
Right.
in the Fiji of heart belonging Fiji.
Right. Yeah, of course, of
We say
course.
good morning to all the drivers of the LC carrier.
Right.
Who are taking all the students to school.
Right, right, right.
Naita emosi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Semat suka na bugri beu sabir ng ngani bulian na mata kabinani kuha.
Good morning, Naita.
To all the LC drivers tuning this morning, we say Mbulubanak and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Right.
Yes.
And to all the students who are listening to your radio station.
Right.
Favorite radio station,
Yes.
which is BTFM this morning.
Right.
Inside the carrier.
Okay.
And LC 588.
Whoa.
Oh, from Nakoro.
Nakoro talaga.
Right, right, right.
Kaya na budu tokan na matali ko. And a big shout out to Isa.
Right.
Ito nang we say good morning to 16-year-old Tulian Delana.
Bulunaka.
If you are tuning this morning lewa, kere-kere.
Right.
Mo lesu bale.
Yeah.
Yan
Okay.
itutu ko bebertol tabando bisa na matali kuha.
Kung magkarichu.
Ko banggarechu na ngonongo
Right.
kere lewa.
Yeah.
Ang bagay ko ono lagi reporta kia na station ni bisa Nandi.
Right.
Au titingon na Lorikina Vale and Singapore Ruai.
Right.
Na kabitu ni singa 7th of June.
Isa.
Sa kirei lewa ke borong sum na matay kuha tulian delana.
Right.
Kere vitar tari vale se molisar ngai vale.
Right.
Kana matang ni kuha.
Tila we are with you in our prayers today.
Yeah.
Bala terus sangan rem sangan kami bale for you to come back.
Right.
This morning. Boleh kami today Estelela.
Yeah.
And mereka kalau ngatan ang karabita bina sigendai and also real life tux boleh benaka.
Yeah.
Tuning in this morning.
Nasaubuki Motoriki and the family. Good
Yeah.
morning to Nasaubuki.
Right.
From Motoriki to Ani Tehana.
Right.
And the family Tehana from China and Monikoso Langere.
Oh.
And also to the Tebita Matayashi. From
Alright.
Nasaubuki too. This is
Egi.
the Egi.
Egi.
Egines
Yeah.
from Baulevu. Thank you very much. And also to
Yeah.
the people from
This is
Nasesara.
and the
Yeah.
people.
Nasesara.
Oh, okay.
This is Nabuchi.
Yeah.
And a village from Motoriki.
Ano ba naka?
Good morning to you this morning.
I want to say good morning to all the parents of 102,
Ha.
Yeah.
class 102 of Maris Brothers Primary.
Ano ba naka?
Last week we had our fun day
Yeah.
and also the feast day of Saint Marcelin Champagne on Saturday. Big grog session and also the food was nice. Everything was okay and
Yeah.
the weather was fine too.
Yeah.
Even though despite the bad weather on not bad,
Yeah.
like the heavy
Cold
rain,
weather.
yeah, the downfall
Yeah.
on downpour on Friday,
Yeah.
on Saturday.
Right.
It changes. The weather changes. Thank you so much for everything and the contribution
Yeah.
towards the fun day
Yeah.
last week.
Even though the cold is here, but
Yeah.
we are fortunate enough that we come.
Yeah,
We can-
yeah.
Because for us in the equator
You
of
bath.
the world,
You bath.
we bath.
Oh,
This kind of weather have to bath. If not, the kanikan will fall.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
from then, we see the weather
Yeah.
in the equator for like normally we are warm.
right,
Yeah.
right.
So when we are go to a new place like walking in overseas,
Right.
Yeah.
this kind of weather when the snow comes,
Yeah.
when the ice arrives,
Right.
we will our skin will not develop enough
Right.
to be manipulated in this
Yeah.
that kind of weather from. But we are lucky enough
Right.
that we have a certain degrees
Right.
that we can able
5%.
Yeah.
to withstand
Right.
in the
Lagi
night.
ba lagi bro tukin na sunoy ko na sinri ko na sinisili met ndora madawa.
Tinay Esther says
Yeah.
that Kani will follow.
Follow me, tinda yeah.
Iya.
Ayaw talaga. Kay no good dams
Yeah.
Elders Joseph number 1. Elder Joseph.
Yeah, Elder Joseph
Yeah.
Bernadanga.
Iyo.
Good morning to you. Bill Dama.
Right.
And also to Apako Kitukana.
Karena benak Vicky Menino. Okay, and our story this morning is about the gang from Lutoka.
Yeah, the
Koro.
gang from Lotoka. They were no one of my tamale.
Yeah.
I want to say good morning to my tamale, Thomas Kulintai.
Yeah.
Sometimes this tamale of mine is deaf.
Yeah.
And what you call? Kasi ni angalu.
Yeah.
Edam.
Yeah. Kasi ni masarang.
Ah.
Sometimes it's okay. But this is one of the time when he was still like that.
Yeah.
When this tamale is in Lotoka.
Yeah.
And he's like, Pakamsangkas Chikubiro.
Babylon Onilau, the camp joining now.
Hey, Bulunaka.
So to the cow.
And
And then when they won a funeral in the village,
Yeah.
And they came.
Yeah.
When they came, and this tamale of mine will present the Riu
Yeah.
the Kamunanga.
Yes.
And we all know
Yeah.
Oh.
that he's like that.
Yeah.
So when all of them entered the hall,
Yeah.
and he said, "Okay, nyokwe masamangalu,
Ah.
Yeah.
oh bamtamo,
Yeah.
untutamo,"
Yeah.
and he started doing the tamamaraki.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
He cries
Yeah.
Yeah.
because
Yes, sir.
of the family member
Yeah.
passed away.
Yeah.
Yes. Ah.
Yeah.
Ah.
Finish.
Yeah.
So Saratu,
Yeah.
and he passed the Kamunanga to the other side. The gang in the village they receive.
Ah.
When they receive, after that, settle
Kaya
down,
sa sao si
everything,
Yeah.
and then they take the grog.
Oh.
Take the grog,
Yeah.
and
Tama lang tiga.
yo,
Yeah,
one
the tama,
of
he's
our
tama.
brother there,
Yeah.
and the fellow two saranga one the big bowl for the village,
Yeah.
the hall,
Yeah.
the big bowl in the hall, and he two to this by tamale of mine.
Ah.
Yeah.
The fellow just telling story to the gang.
Yeah.
After this we go, yeah,
Yeah.
and the fellow look,
Yeah.
the fellow saw the big cup saranga in front of him,
Yeah.
Ah.
and the fellow say, "Oh, the column." Oh,
Yeah.
the column.
Roko bina kasara ba na
Bakan tua. Nengon ni tambah raki.
Iya.
Siang ni rokok pindah kan menon bosa.
Yeah.
Bujap.
Ah. Yeah.
Ngon sabi tu tekan ko bi ko nembelu.
Eh.
Well, para itu kina koromatura nai koro-korosan ni makandamu.
Ayo.
Tua sikeli bola tabe. And the
Double.
Karawalebu family.
Right.
Bu.
Kolum. Zabu tapi nak sarang otak balik na L. Na balik bombo mi bitine esta. Boleh nak sam sar cikan ko may nabua.
Yeah.
Na balik sar tini esta na si mamay and mataka ni kuwa.
Dor ba nak. Iya, bilis ini sabos okay.
Iyo, tapos na
Tama ni
naman.
big cup.
Iya.
Yan ba ka badi? Tama ni usara. One X men.
Onex.
One X.
Ah, tu na mo rin ko di taon ni.
Yan ako ay buli pa ka arto buli pa ka sangga jugo.
Uy, saro to surat tanga so ti.
Ano naman di buli ba katawa?
Siya buli pa ka sangga. Mo boto mo to na
Kinabali, bunak.
trip na kay.
Iyo.
Buli pa ka sangga.
Miau arkalas ta kawake na kau buang goiti usar tu menabuno li UK.
Oh, yan
Miau na
re.
re miau,
Iya.
mai nanti ba kuro kumbulong buah.
Bulare.
Ka besar pa yan ratu yani.
Wili.
Mana toika, hantong belum nak na toika district
Ilo
school.
toka.
Mai, do belum nak.
Orto may nukuto diyan go bis nga nan rungi balu.
Belum nak.
Dong boleh bilang may nukuto diyan.
Right. Nama bulu tuan lebih cita timbiu.
Ah.
Bayar artian ni mata kami nak ko bina wali besar na muli sumahin to bi.
Iya.
Langani suri ciko ya.
Iyo.
On Saturday night, I invite him to grog at home in Kuka.
Yeah.
And kongan ng seria. Salah besar kalian. I surrender. Mesti warrior. Thank you so much.
Eh ori sana ni labi.
Iya. Nili.
Ang sini mampu tambah sisi ndali tambah sini ndali kena video.
Namo to kaya.
Barto ko nakakede tu kuna itu na kena
Iya,
video.
bata ka unraw chicken number production. Number ta kaya. Number ta kaya. The video ta kana kame number evidence. Ayo sanga.
Iya.
Tu kun nga nakajin.
Iya, kayak mesin
Na hybrid ya?
Iya.
Karongan into na manual Toyota Hilux.
Kona buat kondo tu mena desert na na na. Nin engine jadi kona buat kondo tu mena desert ko tu wamera na layon.
Iya, kasar nga.
Iya.
Na way
Iya,
buah.
wala ka dito katalaw sa mga mata. Papas pa maro. Touch mo lori.
Mili na kana lagi yan re lalo mamay na way monu road may na
Alright.
gift and souvenir.
Right.
Oy 126 so way monu talaga 126.
Iya, chicken lang mo.
Sen di milian ra pinakan di mili.
Iya.
Pinabaliw. Sa pa nini pinabaliw ng karabi.
Right.
Oy, totok.
Na boleh besar. Ya benar mungkin benar kata maru tayo chikna signi kuah.
Right.
Terus kata tadi nak menanti suba no sorry koridoa.
So na tani koro. Au saset tari di.
Serua na.
Lamo saset.
Iyo. Ya tulau baby terbaik
Fatal
chikna
itu
na udai.
Ah,
Kata kita kina na bibelo sa ndak pinang manua. Anda pa kile chikna batang mbongi.
iya.
Maru chikna bulan singi pinang di koro. Mata sama chikna masali ka kambura kana VTFM.
Dono menaka.
Donom like harap kina share na matakli kuah.
Right.
Meta pa na mataka ni mataka.
Iya, ono ba nang pinakan to da, ono ba mbulu to be chona tani koro sang kami kilatal tungan ng bogi.
Iyo.
Niyo kero kay bata may ono may kantaw.
Oh, okay, warna.
Ani binak.
Kurumundo ko.